Right, azvisina kumira mushe mureZimbabwe. I don't think kuti kune munhu achiri kunzwisisana kana kuti vanhu vachiri ne-oneness yange mbori kudhare kuti vanhu vainzwanana, because izvezvi handiri kuona kuti pataurwa nyaya yeHezekiah. Nyaya yeHezekiah yasumudza ma-eyebrows akawanda, ende vanhu vakutaura kuti kuna VP iwewe chisiya basa kana zvichinetsa kana kuti chichaita zvokukudzinga muZANU-PF because hanzi wakutoita zvecontent creation zvako. Now nhasi ndine nyaya yemukomana weThemba Mliswa. Themba Mliswa abvira kudhara achingoitawo zvinhu zvake papapa, ende tatisiri kunzwisisa kuti mapositions ake anga ari papi in the party, because tikada kutarisa Themba Mliswa munhu wekuti iye paakadzingwa muZANU-PF kakare pane mufambo akadzoka an independent candidate. It simply means ukaona wadzoka uchicontesta uri independent candidate automatically unenge watowedzera kutozvisabhura semunhu anga adzingwa kare akabva angotora mukana. But that is not the issue for today. Ngationesanei zviri kutaurwa naMr Mliswa, because nyaya yekunzi Hezekiah yatemesa vanhu musoro. But this is a brazen attack on the president as one can ever give, and coming from his own deputy. It's shocking for one so close to the president to resort to this is diplomatically across the strategic pool. The VP is now seriously endangering his standing by pandering to the whips of social media and the opposition by indulging in content creation. The subject matter which he poorly dresses in biblical frocks instead of explicitly stating his opposition to CAB3 as any serious politician would do, shows his level of frustration. Politically, the man has been outmaneuvered, and if he is sincerely that he opposes what ZANU-PF he has come to represent, then he should resign like any self-respecting leader. What he is contesting is a party decision, and he can't continue within an entity whose thinking and direction he doesn't accept. Resigning, not metaphors, is the only redemption path for him. He should resign and then canvass for the support of the opposition, which he is clearly pandering to against his own party. CAB3 is not the product of any single individual, but is a ZANU-PF project, a party to which he belongs. He cannot reduce to it any single. Hezekiah, when he was being the part of cabinet that approved it, he failed to block the resolution from the conference, Politburo Committee, the Central Committee, Cabinet, public hearings, and we are now reaching the parliament stage for the ruling party. He has become the main opposition, providing fodder for continued tension and instability through such vain attacks. The biggest takeaway from all this is that he lacks the necessary political muscle and internal support for anything of significance. That's a hard truth which the doomsday prophets should quickly recognize and stop putting pressure on him to become some action hero. Party members have accepted the party decisions and moved on. Social media and the monthly card of illustrations hanging in shadows amount in the army that are beckoning him into what will surely amount to self-immolation. Fueled by the virtual army, he has instigated multiple political infractions. Golden President Mnangagwa, who has himself remained dignified and quiet, his patient and long game tactics are clearly unsettling him. It's just that the political standards for the opposition, which has embraced him on social media, is very low, such as they can't recognize the absurdity of the VP remaining party of the machinery, which they deride, and yet embrace him as a shining light. For the ruling party, he is becoming liability, publicly questioning the resolution and feeding the public mentality with treasonous thoughts. How can you are now feeding the public with treasonous thoughts? Zvinonetsa wakudzisanzwa kudzisa vana kuti vaite zvekuda zvinotemesa. But I don't know kuti nyaya iyi munoitora sei, because ina handisi munhu wekuti ndoda kutanga ndoda kuwedzera kukanda matches pagara pari kubvira kudhara. Vari kupisana vakomana. Amen, it's up to you kuti munoona sei Themba Mliswa akuya kunetsana na vice president. What's your take on that? I don't want to waste much of your time. Let's meet in the comment section for now.